Today is day one. We are at Bike Zone, Suzuki. Dominar पे आया हूँ. Me and my son Prem. These are all the bikes parked here, and this is what I've come here for. Busa. This is the limited edition one, anniversary edition. This is another one, red color, and that is ours. It's the Black Falcon, and in some time we'll do the uncrating and record everything what happens over here. So that was the quick uncrating time lapse, and these are all the parts that are going to get installed now as standard accessories. Visor, battery, grab rails, all this stuff is going to get installed, bar ends. So here's the bike, and bar ends have already been installed. This nut will come off as it was the packing nut. They're installing the battery. It's below the rider's seat. There's no PDI as such to be done because the bike is completely in assembled condition. PDI as such कुछ नहीं करेंगे ना? PDI कुछ करेंगे? सब साथ साथ होगा. Okay, PDI भी होगा. Basic checks हो गए इसमें. And the owner is excited. Speedo has come out because we need to install the mirrors first. Mirror is already gone inside. Second being installed. स्पीडोमीटर की वैल्यू कितनी रहेगी वो बताओ. It's 174.
So 1,74,000.
1,74,000 is the cost of this speedometer. So these are the accessories we're going to install. The main radiator grill, the bottom radiator grill or the oil radiator grill. These are spools, and these are the frame sliders from T-Rex. I think they are from PNG. नहीं, unbranded लग रहा है.
नहीं T-Rex का ही है.
T-Rex का ही है. ब्रांड किधर लिखा है?
वो कुछ नहीं.
Yeah, the branding is over here inside. Once we open it, I'll show it to you. So the right side panel has been opened right now. Here the slider will come in. So they've installed a cross rod over here in between for the frame slider. To install that, they loosened this bolt, removed the bush, slide in the plates and the rod, put the bush back, tightened everything, and the plate comes out over here. He's installing the second cross plate over here. This is the rod that came out here for support on this side. Next we are installing the radiator guards. So the stock radiator does not have any guard. Bottom oil radiator does have a net over here, but the holes are quite big, and they say that the one that you install aftermarket has a smaller hole, so it will protect better. So this has got rubber bushings on top. This will help the grill prevent from any kind of vibrations. Radiator grill is installed and bolting on from bottom. Bottom grill
मैं और मैं और दीपेन दोनों गाड़ी के आजू बाजू में मंडी करके बैठे हुए हाँ
All external things done, and now the right side panel is going back in. He's highly skilled and doing the work really well. हम लोग cost भी निकाल रहे थे while all this work is going on. We were trying to find out the cost of each parts and all. So each side panel costs approximately 1 lakh, and the bottommost edge that can be separated. This fairing can be separated in 3 parts. The bottommost is for 18,000, which is going to get damaged usually the most. That is the previous gen. This is the current gen. Finally, the slider being installed, and it's done. It's from T-Rex. So the stock bolt was removed. I mean the one that came with the bike for transportation, and the stock one is being put. So bike is almost ready. Just अभी PPF कराने वाले हैं. उसके बाद ये फाइनल सब मिरर्स और वगैरह सब फिट होगा, वाइजर फिट होगा, एंड यहाँ पे अपना स्पीडोमीटर बैठ जाएगा. बाकी बाइक ऑलमोस्ट रेडी है. रजिस्ट्रेशन को गए हैं अभी पेपर्स, एंड टुमारो वी गोना गेट द डिलीवरी. So we got the spools also installed, and bike is completely ready for delivery today. There are some clips for the PPF and all. I'll probably add that before or after this video, but otherwise the bike is ready and we're going to take delivery of it in some time. I hope you've seen the first part also, where we've taken the delivery, who's the owner and how it went. So that brings us to an end of this part 2. I hope you like the content. I'll leave Suzuki contact in the video description just in case anyone wants to get in touch with them. And otherwise, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and see you in a new video very soon.
Do you know where secrets go? 'Cause I've forgotten mine. They've slipped out of my control, and you know where they hide. Your love's a little heavy, you're touching me already, and it's working up my nerves. You should probably